Hello everyone, welcome to Mom in Kuwait channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like. So let's get started. Today we have given the information tips to rearrange the jumbled sentences in a much easy way. The students who are facing troubles to answer this type of sentences in English can use these tips to help them. Rearrangement of jumbled sentences. Student is given 3 to 4 words to form a sentence. Given words should be arranged properly to form a meaningful sentence. How to tackle these sentences? You need to know 3 things: theme of the sentence, link have to be found, and what the picture says about it. Important tips to arrange jumbled sentences. Read the jumbled word given. Make sure you read each word. Always look for the capital letter to start the sentence. For the beginners, the first letter will be given as capital. Then look at the picture given and find that word in the jumble sentence. Look at the picture and imagine what can happen. Make up a story. You must remember that each sentence in English follows a pattern: subject, verb, object, and sentences should be arranged based on this information. Let's start with an example, but before that, remember, read capital letter, see picture, and don't forget the full stop. Can. Run. He. So, after reading, we look at the picture. The picture is about a boy who is in action of run. I see that the word he is the capital. So this is going to start the sentence with he can run. And don't forget that last thing, the full stop. And here it comes, the full stop. Let's read it first. Read my pen. M is the capital letter. Therefore, this is the starting of the sentence. The picture was showing a pen, which was in red. So, the sentence would be my red pen. And don't forget the full stop. So, let's read the sentence first. M is capital, therefore it's going to be my red pen. And the sentence is going to end with a full stop. Let's jumble the words first. Now, let's read it. Dad is he, my. He is capital. Picture is of a man who can be a dad, a boy. But let's see what the sentence says. He is my dad. So, he is my dad. And don't forget the full stop, please. And he is my dad. Full stop. Let's look at another example. Is pan hot? The first capital letter is the. So that would be the starting of the sentence. Now the picture shows a pan. So, the pan. And what does the pan show? Let's imagine. Yes, it's showing that it's hot. So the pan is hot. And when you put the full stop, it completes the sentence. The pan is hot. Let's look at another example. Let's read it out. Is Ben sad? First capital letter is Ben. Yes. So that will be the starting of the sentence. Now what do we say? Sad. Who? Ben. So Ben is sad. And don't forget the full stop, please. So the sentence, to complete it, it says Ben is sad. And here comes the full stop. Let's look at another example. Let's read it first. Can my cat run? Now, which one is the capital letter? Yes, my. So this is going to be the first letter, my. And what do we see in the picture? We see a cat who is trying to maybe run. So my cat can run. And don't forget the full stop. And here it's coming. Tick tock, the full stop. That makes the complete sentence. My cat can run. Full stop. Another example. Toy big is mine. Here the capital letter I can see is mine, and the picture shows it's a big toy. So let's put it into the sentence. My toy is big. And what do you have to put to make it the sentence? Yes, we have to make it a full stop. If you are a bit confused, just try to read the sentence again and it should be a meaningful sentence. My toy is big. And the full stop. Let's look at another example. A jet we see, full stop. What I see that the first capital letter is we, so that's going to the starting sentence, and then I see a jet. So we see a jet. A full stop. That makes the complete sentence. Another example. A mug have I. Now, I see the capital letter here is I. So it's talking about me. So that I will be putting the first sentence as the starting, the I. And what do I see in the picture? I can see a picture of a mug. So we're going to talk about my mug. Right? So the sentence will go as I have a mug. And the full stop. That makes a sense. I have a mug. Let's do another example. I see car a can. Now the capital letter I can see here is the I. So this is going to be the starting letter. I. Okay, and what do I see in the picture? I can see a car. So I can see a car. And don't forget the full stop, please. Thank you. And that makes the complete sentence. I can see a car. Well, I hope this have helped you a lot with helping the kids with jumbled sentences. Make sure you give them an example of what really jumbled sentence mean. So if you did like it, don't forget to click the like and do subscribe me so that you get updated videos as soon as I upload. And keep in mind, when doing the jumble words, all you have to remember is read it first what the words are, the capital letter where it is. See the picture. Imagine it. What does it say? And don't forget the full stop. That would be completing the sentence. Thank you for today's watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please below is the click button of like for the thumbs up. Thank you.